Welcome back to the second tutorial. Here, you will learn how to set up your items on MyBuy. Before we dive into this video, please watch our first tutorial that helps set up your business profile on MyBuy. Tap on the Items button in the bottom menu bar. Here, you can add items and manage them. There are multiple ways to set up your items list on MyBuy. For example, if you are a restaurant and already have a beautiful menu, then use your mobile camera to take a picture of your restaurant menu. Make sure this picture is very clear and easy to read. Your customers will now be able to see and order items from this menu. This is the simplest but not the best way to set up your items. The best way is by using the Select Items feature. Here, you can select from a large list of items preloaded for your convenience. You can choose from more than 2,000 items under different categories. Take for example, pickles. Click on the pickles category on the top and see the list of items. Find the one you want, tap on the add item next to it, select the quantity, the price, add discounts if any, and add the item. To add quantity, press on the add variants button. Add your specific quantity. You can add as many variants of a single item, just the quantity being different like this. First, select the unit measurement, then type the quantity in numbers. You can also just choose from the given options. For example, you have 300 grams and 1000 grams of pickle packs. You can choose 300 grams like this and add 1000 grams separately by tapping on Add Variants on the same screen. Following this procedure, add all your items. After you've added the items, press Update Inventory. Remember this, if you press the Cancel button, even by mistake, the selected items will not be added. So press the Update Inventory button to keep saving your selections. When you're done, you will see the items you've added in the item screen. If you are not able to view the Select Items feature, which depends on your business type, or want to add custom items, you can always use the Add Items feature to add your special items. To do that, select the Add Items button, take a picture of your custom item, and then type or select the item category. For example, if you are a grocery store, then you can choose from the relevant categories available here. If the category is not listed, just type it and it will be added. Then, enter your item name, describe your item in a few words, and then enter your item quantity. You can select more than one type of item measurement or unit. For example, you have atta in grams and kgs. You select both and then select the different units available at your store. Finally, add your item price. If you want to offer a certain discount, you can put the discount here. Click on the Add Item button and you've successfully added your item. Now, your menu is available and you can press here to make any changes. You can edit your items or remove them completely. Let's say you want to put a 10% discount on this item. You press on the Edit item, make and apply the change, and your updated item will now show a 10% discount. Next, what do you do if you run out of items? In such times, you can easily turn off your non-available items and it will not be shown to the customers. You select your item, go to the Edit option, and press here to specify whether it's available or not. Here's how your menu will look to your customers when they visit your store on MyBuy. If you have uploaded your picture of your menu, your customers will be seeing the picture and order the desired items through text. Or, if you had created an items list, your customers will see your listed items and select the desired items to place their orders. If you have given any discount for a particular item, this is how it will look to your customers. If you had marked any item unavailable, then it will look like this, and the customer will not be able to order it. So, it's as simple as that to set up your store. And now, you're ready to start transacting with your customers. Congratulations! In the next video, we will guide you on how to transact by completing your customers' orders.